before the Holy Prophet of Islam, all those Anbiya and Islam were national prophets. They were restricted. In the Holy Quran, it says that God sent Moses to Pharaoh. It also says from Musa that he has been sent as a Rasul from Rehmatul Lil Aalameen. So, could their message not be for all the people who are there?
What does it say about Moses?
It says in the Holy Quran that he has been Rasul from Rehmatul Lil Aalameen.
From Rehmatul Lil Aalameen, not to Aalameen. There are two different things. Every Rasul was sent by Rehmatul Lil Aalameen, but not to the Aalameen. The only Rasul who is known to have been sent to the whole universe or the known universe. In fact, the word Aalameen is very difficult to translate in one single word of English. It has a very broad meaning and the philosophy should be understood. Alam means the thing about which you know or which is known. All those things which exist but are not known, they don't become alam. They may be ashya, but they are not alam. Alam must require an alim, a person to know. So in that definition of alam, if all consciousness disappears from the universe, the whole alam would collapse. There won't be any alam. As far as people other than Allah, being other than Allah are concerned, there will be nothingness. So alam goes on expanding as well. And Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was Rehmatul Lil Aalameen. That meant that whatever is now being discovered, the expanding universe of man's knowledge, for all that Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wa sallam would be a source of blessing. This has never been said about any other prophet, even by the books of those religions to whom that prophet belongs. There is no exception whatsoever. I have made an investigation into this matter because I have read on comparative religions. Not entirely, I have not exhausted the subject, of course, no man can. But I read all the important books on this subject and also the fundamental books of those religions. And never anywhere was a mention of a prophet being a prophet of the Alam. So I accept Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So that is the meaning, but to be from Rehmatul Lil Aalameen, that is a different thing altogether.
My question was slightly perhaps I don't understood. My question was the restriction was only geographic, not on national basis. The prophet was in an area, equally for Israelite as well as the other people present. Would not this be the case?
You still have not made the question clear. I will wait for you until you have made it clear.